Hey Dayz, welcome back to my day. So I arrived in Atlanta yesterday after what is like a 10 to 11 hour flight delay, and I got here in this house basically at 3 o'clock and I'm like, oh my god. I didn't bother filming yesterday because I was so irritated with the whole thing, but now my aunts are here and we're going shopping, so I decided why not bring you guys along to prove that I did come back to Atlanta and that I'm with my fam. So let's go. I don't need a We're at Walmart. Oh, they're walking away, leave us. Come down here, no? On the way, we're going. The two shy aunties over there, the ones that come on the camera.
Hello, associates, customers, and
The orange looks very orange. Chanel shirts. Well, I don't mind them, you know, but they're just there. They're country boy shirts.
thank you for all you do.
I record everybody.
To be a Walmart associate, so take care of
You
yourself.
let even know where you record. Put on the screen so you can see.
Size, right? Scan everything. Scan. What's in
Shayde.